Amsu headquarter ki President Bruce PEBAM na LUCHINGBA team AMANA ASSAM ki West KARBIANGLONG JIRIKINDENG da PANGTHOKKHIBA Karbi Students Association ki Yankai suba Annual General Conference da Sharuk Yakhre. Annual General Conference asigi Students Open Session da Amsu headquarter ki President Bruce PEBAM na Guest of Honor oina Sharuk Yakhre. Annual General Conference asida awang nungpok lamdamgi oina mahiroi LUCHINGBA kayasu Sharuk Yakhre. Nagaland, Meghalaya, Manipur, Assam, Amadi, atop Forbes Singi student leader kayana Sharuk Yakhre General Conference asida Amsu headquarter ki Maike Degishu Organization Secretary Thingbajam Sanachan HRD Secretary Mayang Lambong Kumar Amadi former Assistant Finance Secretary Ellen Nauramsu Sharuk Yakhre. Mapumoina General Conference asigi timdi immediate implementation of Article 244A of the Indian Constitution and Autonomy and Land Rights, rethinking land policy in 6 scheduled areas, Haibasina Oiki. Annual General Conference asida wangang laduna Amsu gi President Bruce PEBAM na Manipuri hojik lairiba fibam gi matangda miyam da wafong kaya thamki. Loinana Government of India ki policy na aikoi masel nakpak tanahan bani haiba wafam thamladuna aikoi na ningkha tamba ningthau panba laibak ama oina haurakhiba puwari mayek sengna thamki. Aikoi na Indian Union ki saruk ama oina ing lising amaga chamapan ga nefuga mapanda oikibadagi hauraduna thengnariba socio-political problem kayasu highlight tauki. Illegal immigrants singi achawa issue ma ngasi Assam amadi Manipur dasu mapumoina mayugnaribagi fibam sida Manipur dasu National Register of Citizens NRCC yamtuna lengakna update tawbiduna lakadoriba matamda pangthokadaba census amadi delimitation process da mawong maril tana pangthokadabani haibasu thamki. Loinana ingsok lising amaga chamapan ga marfu amasung ingsok lising amaga chamapan ga ni maudraga marigi foreigners issue da as Amsu gi lengaka yanaki bawafamsu Assam gi miyamda amuk na haunana ningsinghanki chahi amaro Manipur da president role thamluraba matungda hojik anauba popular state government ama lakhibaga iroinana paikhalakliba peace process asigi matangdasu miyamda khanghanki. Hiram kudimakta fana oiduna shu chahi lising ani hena aikhogi ipa ipura ngak selaga lakhiba Manipur gi territorial integrity asi kaidaunungda Manipur miyamna compromise choroi haiba wafum su phongdoki. Masiga iroinana North East ki state singda horiba students movement mahiroi shingi iho asida common agenda common platform ama hena inclusive oiba mawongda puthokuna aikhoina singi apunba pangal nahonana sagatpa matam chap chare haiba wafum su Amsu gi President Bruce na phongdokri.
I belong to the Meitei community, but I am not standing here today as a Meitei leader, but as a Manipuri student leader. And we feel that we are all one, and it is only the government of India's policy that has kept us divided between one group against the other, and they will use one group to trouble another group, and that same group that they use today will fall victim tomorrow itself. So my dear brothers and sisters, I hope that Manipur, as we all know, is also an ancient princely kingdom and has faced the cycles of oppression, repression from the Burmese invasion, from the British invasion, and later on when British departed, we held our own constitutionally elected government in 1948, and that was rejected again by the government of India, and we were forced to merge with the Indian Union in October 15, 1949, and since then we became a party state, then union territory, and finally it was in 1972 that we get full statehood. But still, as a Manipuri, as a student leader, we keep the resistance alive, and just like the Assam Accord also, we have our own Manipuri Accord that was signed in 1980 and again in 1994 between the government of India, government of Manipur, and all Manipur Students Union regarding this foreigners issue or the problem of this illegal influx of immigrants. So we are facing hard times, but neither Inagas, Kukis, Meiteis or whatever, we will never rise as victorious against one another. It is only the bloodshed, it is only the common people that are suffering. So if we want to live prosperously, peacefully, then coming together and sitting on a negotiating table is the only way forward. And we were put under President's rule over the last 1 year, and a new government has been coming up in Manipur, popular government in this year 2026, since February month. and the peace initiation, then peace process is in full swing. And even yesterday at Guwahati, our present Chief Minister Sri Yumnam Khemsang had peace initiations, then political dialogue with the Kukijo groups, and I hope that peace will come swiftly in our beautiful state, and not only in our state but in the entire Northeast. So let us keep the resistance alive, let us keep the unity of the Northeast intact. Even an inch of Manipur's territory will not be compromised, because it has been guarded by our forefathers through their blood and might for more than 2,000 years. So last but not least, I would like to thank one and all for inviting us again. Long live KSA, long live Amsu, long live Northeast unity.